Hi everyone, welcome back to Success is the Goal. In this video we're gonna play. No kidding. We're gonna ask you simple questions to get answer. It's a questions that I know you might say is very easy to answer, but I'm gonna show you how an old Greek authors answer the question. The question is, what is the main difference between human and animal? Weirdo, right? Chill, it's easy. It's gonna answer by an old Greek authors. He answered these questions very, very gently and in a good way that everyone should understand it.
When they ask an old Greek person what is the characteristics that humans specialize in that make a difference with animal, he said there's just 4 characteristics that make it different, that human specialize in, that make it different with animals. He said wisdom, chastity, mind, and justice. He said those 4 characteristics that humans specialized in that make a difference with animal, just those 4. And then he said each one of those have its own definition. For example, knowledge, literature, calmness, all belong to wisdom. And then he said tolerance, patience, and dignity all belong to mind. And then he said modesty and generosity, self-maintains and neglecting desires are belong to chastity. And last but not least, he said honesty, charity, monitoring, and good morals are all belong to justice. An amazing answer by an old Greek person about the question, what is the main difference between a human and animal? He said there are just 4 characteristics that a human specialized in with animals: wisdom, chastity, mind, and justice, that make a huge difference between we as a human and between the animals.